Ela maka. Mau mai ngalo leo. Ya. Ole wa o ai kaungu fai ngā malanga ngi me kau Fafa O Saualii. Ngi Tufutafoe, i mo si fia o Tufutafoe, i o lo i kongul makaanga kau Fafa O Saualii. O makaanga lo i ngongo le mea a kolnyei, ia o le anga wa kausiri, o le Vai Sua Toto, o le anga o le Malae Fono o Saualii, o le pale sopo ia, ma le Paepae o Apaula, o le piko i kai, ia o lo iei le ala upolu ma le ala Savaii, o le lua loko ali, ia ma le vai luanga makangi ma Savili, ia ma le mea ngoko iei le la, o makaanga umala ngā lele o kokongu umalinuu ngai o Tufutafoe, ia o ngai foi le ngapoe a kwali por kalame foi o le Mulinu'u, le vao le afe iwa se lau iwa ngai le lua afe. Ia mo se whaliliunga whapelkania. Yeah, this is a place where the celebration of a millennium, the last sunset. And the other things over here, this is a place, all the spirit at Upolu and Savaii, this is his place. So this place are called a place of a spirit. So the legends at the back, there's the meeting place, and that's the mountain, and the caves, Vatausilis caves, and a blood well. And the other side up there, there's the legends up there. That's called a road of Upolu, means all the spirit at Upolu, they come in his road. And the other side is called a road of Savaii, means all the spirit at Savaii, they come in his side, his road. And the other thing over there, that's to show you my government measurement up there to show you where the sunset is and where's divided of the wind or the end of the wind. So it's up to all those things in Tufutafoe village. Okay, let us have a social kai. Leo kako mai luma me ka ole vai luanga makangi masabili ko lo ko silafia yo le melenga pai kako malo samo sifo e ka wa kuai i pulisi makapa ka fa mai yo i nei kongu ai Tufutafoe lo ngoko ia le la ya ma ole si wingo le o nga me a ko nei e yele wingo le melia ole vai luanga makangi masabili a Savili mai le piko lea, e ko ale le piko lea, e le kai mie, Savili mai ai i, ia ai ko ai, ia o longa vai luanga kongu ala, i lo nga mea a ko al ngei, ia o lesi, o le liniunga whapelkania, ia, this is my government measurement to show you where the sunset is, and where's divided of the wind, or the end of the wind. So sometimes this side, waves come this side, or the winds come this side is no wind, and some other times that side is wind, so the other side is not wind. So that's why the meaning of this thing, to show you all the tourists coming and have a look. And the other things over here, this to show you where it's the most of waste, or the Xbox.
Yeah.
Ya, ole winga ngal ngai, ya, ole awala upol. Ole ala nga Savaii Saualii mai upol, ya lela ka ko fa nga solo aku ia ngai all people ni. Oh. Ya, amaka mai lai ole si papa lai kai o. Ya, amaka mai ai ala upol, nan papa lai kai o. Ya lela ka ko fa solo aku ngai o se ia pa ia le luo loko ri. Ya, lewa mako Savaii le awala o Saualii, o le awala o aiku mai pot, lewa amakan kapo Savaii. Kako kaungu mai desi makaanga lea, ole vai le ka ole lua loko ali. No ala inga fai ngo ole lua loko ali. Ia au kai me mai Saualii mai polu ma Saualii o Savaii. Ia o I la whakasikasi mai lako vai lea e ka ele ai pe wha malu ai. Ia o ngā sololola ia le kua mo le lako whonkanga e whai ngau ka lako Malae Fono. Ia lai ngā whai ngole ai le ka o le lua loko ali. E kere ngā sau whasalau mai sau whapea. Sau mai sau ase ia pa ia le lua loko ali. Ia o vai kongo ala le ka o le lua loko ali. Le ko kongo nyei me ka o Fafa O Saualii. Kapala. Yeah. There's another business over here. This pool is called a water pool of chief. When the spirit come in his place, all the spirit Polu and Savaii, they come here. This is his pool. After swimming in his pool, he go back to his meeting place at the back of the other side. This water is very deep. You can't stand down the bottom, it's very deep.
Into the Apaula Savaii.
O mai lesi mea lea ia o le awala leo Saualii o Savaii. Ia Saualii uma Savaii. Ia e oso kasi mai le lako awala lea lainga ka o le alo Savaii. Le ongo winga o le awala o Saualii Savaii. This road is called a road of Savaii. Means all the spirit Savaii they come in his road.